Hi guys, so I'm going to go to Google Sheets for this one. I'm doing a Connect 4 video, but I can only do it for 15 minutes, so I'm going to do a part 2 and maybe even part 3. But I already have my Connect 4 when I tried to make a 21-minute video, so I'll just... Oh god, this is gonna take forever. Hold on, I'm gonna pause this so it doesn't take up so much time. And pause. Okay, yeah, I just made another spreadsheet. It wasn't working, so get a different spreadsheet and then name it. Well, you don't have to name it Connect 4. You can name it whatever you want. I'll just do Connect 4. Timer. We have 11 minutes. Oh, I should have stopped the timer when I paused it. Okay, well, let's just go by that. Okay, so then you're going to hold on there and pull, and then just keep pulling until it gets all the way to Z. Then you right click, resize columns, type in 50. Okay, and now go all the way down. Honestly, you can go wherever you want. I guess I can go to like 26 or something. 26 is how many letters are in the alphabet, so I'll just do that. Then resize rows 1 through 26. Then we're going to name that 52. So they're 50 by 50 boxes. So now they're all just these little boxes. So now we're going to highlight. I calculated this in my last video, so I learned from it. So we're going to highlight A through J. Then we're going to borders, black, whatever color you want. Okay, and then you're going to do the same down here because you only want these. Fill these with, no, let's not fill it. Okay, yeah, let's just name this red so we know it. Okay, so now we just have a bunch of these. Isn't exactly good. I'll just do Control Z, 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 Z. Redo. 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 There. Yeah, so basically you're just gonna highlight all the way to J and go all the way down. Whoop, no, not that far. All the way down. Just go to 10. So J and then go to 10. Okay, and then just highlight to J. Then fill color. You can do whatever color. I'll just do this color so I know. Hold on, I'm going to pause this because my sister. Okay, I'm pretty sure they stopped. Oop, gotta go back to the timer. Start again. Okay, so yeah, you actually highlight. I made a mistake. I didn't get all the way to J, so you highlight to J. Then once you've highlighted to J, you pull up until you get to the top. Then you can fill it with whatever color you want. I'll just do orange. Okay, so now I have orange there. Now I have my box. Now I'm going to highlight these cells, merge cells, highlight these cells, highlight these cells, merge these cells, do Control that one and that one. Never tried this before. Darn it, you can't merge two merge cells. I was thinking about that last night. Yeah, and then you can do whatever you want. I'll just do, yeah, I'll keep them orange. Okay. Then if you wanted to, you can do a border color to make it look better. I just think it looks kind of good if you have border colors. Anyway, then you highlight these and you want to do a dim color. You don't want to do like too bright. like one of these colors. I'll do a bluish, no, purplish color. Yeah, light magenta. Okay, that looks good. Then we're all done with that. Hold on. 7 minutes. Yikes. Okay. Yeah. Then we do a box here. Pick any letter you want. I'll go with X. Then you click the side. Then you go here. Text color. You can do whatever you want. I'll do orange. Then you do this. Honestly, 36 is the best color you can do. I don't remember what I did in my last one that I didn't upload. I'm not text wrapping. Why do I need text wrapping? Then you pick your Arial font if you want to. I like Courier New. This looks good. Then, yeah, you can make it bold. You can also do a lot of things. You can fill color it. You can even do strike through if you ever wanted to. Yes, you could. Then you do another letter. I'll do... Can you pick a letter? N? Okay. N. Oh god, how many minutes do I have? Oh my god, only 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, yeah, so click over there. I'll pause this video so I can do the same things that I did. Because I don't want to waste time, you know? And, how do you pause it? Okay, so I did my letter N. Now we just write the player's name over it. You can do player 1. And I said it in my other video, but I couldn't upload it because I can only do 15 minutes of a video because I don't have a phone number. Duh. But so what was, oh god, I forgot what I was gonna say. 4 minutes, okay. Hold on, I'm gonna pause the video so I can think about what I was gonna say. I think you heard me the first time. I remember, sorry, I just didn't. So yeah, you can play with as many players as you want, but if you do this kind of grid, then you can, I tested it out, you can play with up to 4 players, which is pretty good. Then, if you wanted to, you could go to row 14, do player 1, horizontal, and player 2. Okay, player 1 and player 2. Then we obviously do the horizontal alignment, the vertical thing, and text wrapping. Same thing with this one, that one. Okay, then if you wanted to, like, to have a chat or something, I watched that in one of the videos that I subscribed to someone. And, hold on, how many minutes? Oh my god, only 3 minutes. Yeah, I, kind of copied it from, a guy that I watched the video on. I forgot his name because I was so busy with all this stuff. But I think his... Thanks, Amanda. But I think his name was... Yeah, I forget. I think it's Dish Dash Tutorials. I forget. I totally forget. Okay, yeah, but I don't know. I'm just gonna do this color. That looks good. And, this color. Hold on. I'll be right back. Sorry, I, had a little difficulties. If you haven't watched any of my videos, oh god, 1 minute. If you haven't watched any of my videos, this is a good one. It's a game in Google Sheets. But if you read the description, I wrote, that it's not really like a fun game. Yeah, you should check out all my other things. Oh, only 1 minute, okay. Yeah, I don't know why it took me 21 minutes just to do another video like this. Anyway, yeah, you can, like, rename your players to like whatever you want. Mike. You can even do the letter after their name if you wanted to. Mike and Noah, I guess. And then you can also name this. This is like a little chat that you can chat with people if you wanted to. And yeah, as I said, you can probably just do as many players as you want. If you can make like a ginormous grid that would take like years to fill out. I don't even know how far down these things go. I'll test that in another one of my videos. It will probably be around lunchtime today, maybe even, yeah, lunchtime probably. Yeah, you can even rename the sheets. I showed you that in another video. Next for, yeah, you can, I love the thing about Google Sheets that you can share it with people. How long? 1 second. Oh, come on. You can share it with people, like anyone, like, yeah, you can share it. You can make them editors, viewers, commenters. You can also type a message to them like, hi, this is cool, something like that. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.